Well, welcome to the Rainforest at Chessington World of Adventures, and this is the new area for 2020. So as you can see, it is home to 3 attractions. The jungle hoppers, treetop hoppers, jungle, treetop hoppers. There are so many names over the years I can't remember. They've been turned round to face this area. This area is kind of enclosed as its own. And then over there you have the entrance to the jungle rangers. Am I going to remember the name of these? Am I going to remember the name of these? This is the question. Yeah, I did. And then right behind us here, you have the log flume, which is the river rafts. Funny enough, I did remember the river rafts one. So it's home to 3 attractions. Obviously this one is very much pre-existing. The treetop hoppers, been here many years. Quite interesting to see it turn around into this area. That is the old site. The Jungle Rangers is the old site of Toadie's Crazy Cars, and we may just say it's a retheme, but arguably actually, you know, new cars, new track, new everything, new layout. Pretty much a new ride, if not completely a new ride for the park. It just seems like it's an old one and people think it's been rethemed. It does follow some of the same track as the old one, including going through the shed at the end. But also the river rafts, although new to the park, was relocated from Weymouth Sea Life. Now then, what we're going to do in this little mini one is we're going to stop talking, you'll be pleased to hear, and we're going to take you around the rides and attractions and some of the beautiful paintwork that's been done here. And it is paintwork as well. It's not like Gruffalo where it's kind of stuck to the wall. We're going to take you around the beautiful paintwork, some of the great art, the rides and attractions. We're going to show you loads of views on them, and not the treetop hoppers, but we're going to take you on ride of the 2 new attractions. So I really hope you enjoy this. This is the brand new Rainforest at Chessington 2020. When the park's open, if the park's open, make sure you get down here this year and try it out, because they are cracking little attractions. Enjoy.
Ranger, take the wheel. You're off on an adventure through the rainforests of the world to spot some of the animals that call the rainforest their home. Be sure to press the button in your car that matches the creature when you see it. Here we go. First up is the toucan with its really large yellow beak. Did you press that button? We have to be really quiet so as not to disturb that beautiful panther. Let's go. Look at that beautiful baby elephant. The snake you see is actually very friendly and won't harm you. The creature here is an orangutan. Quickly, press the button. I hear thunder. Let's take shelter in that hut. Oh no! Look at the cheeky monkeys that have raided our camp. Please keep your arms, legs and binoculars inside the raft. Please keep your arms, legs and binoculars inside the raft. Please keep your arms, legs and binoculars inside the raft. Your arms, legs and binoculars inside the raft.
That is our look at the Rainforest at Chessington World Adventures new for 2020. As we said, we didn't want to really talk much through it. We've played a little bit of audio as well, which we recorded as we were going around on some of the cut scenes. But we have taken you around the area. You've seen off-ride and you've seen on-ride of the river rafts. You can actually see how wet you sort of get on it. And you've seen on-ride of the jungle rangers. But this is the Rainforest. Brand new for Chessington 2020. Hope you've enjoyed this and we'll see you soon.